Remember the ruling from Judge Sara Ellis against DHS? It was 233 pages long in Chicago over Operation Midway Blitz. She told Gregory Bovino that he needed to check in with her once a week. Heck yes, please hold that man accountable. She told ICE officers that they couldn't use a huge list of different crowd control weapons against protesters. Absolutely, put a leash on those guys. She said that their tactics shocked the conscience, and we all agreed wholeheartedly. I actually used her ruling when I was looking through all of the arrests made in Chicago about the violent protesters. There were 92 arrests and there were 5 convictions at the end of the day. And I was really looking at those numbers in the wake of the killings of Alex and Renee, because I was scared, I was angry, I was outraged, and I really did not like the rhetoric that they were domestic terrorists. So I did the research and I found the facts and I felt really good about it. Well, guess what? On March 6th, 2026, the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals stayed and vacated Judge Sara Ellis's 233-page order. Ah, damn it. What that means is that they not only canceled the order, but they actually deleted it from the whole system. And the reason, they said, was because the order was too broad. It covered any and all violations and potential violations without really addressing specific laws broken. It was too prescriptive. She wrote rules for DHS instead of ruling on facts and constitutional violations. So basically, they told her that her ruling read more like a manual for training in DHS rather than a judicial ruling. She can't really write the rules for an executive branch. She can't really oversee an executive branch. She can rule on the constitutionality of specific actions, but apparently no, she cannot just write new rules for them and tell them that they have to check in with her and tell her how good they are being. Unfortunately, even though we really liked it. And the most frustrating argument for me was that DHS said that it's too late. We've already left Chicago, so these remedies are unnecessary. And the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals agreed. So that's what happened there, unfortunately. However, there are some silver linings that I want to talk about.